Hello, members of the community. Here for a short message update on the building construction projects. So far, just want to let you know that the construction projects are on time and they are on budget. The school board knows that being on time and on budget are important, so just want to let you know as of early January, we are on time and on budget.
It's great to be working on this project with the Rockridge School District. Real collaborative effort between the districts that have since merged and all of the local officials that we are working with in this area. Coming together well. As you can see from our aerial photo up here, the campus is quite large. It's a real extensive project and it's going to transform education on the Iron Range. And to be a part of that, Krause-Anderson is very happy to be working with this team.
So I'm really excited about the fact that the project is way ahead of schedule, not way ahead of schedule, pretty much ahead of schedule, being that the weather's been on its side. I'm glad we keep moving forward and get this project built.
We're very excited as board members, as an entire community, to support the new school endeavor and the new projects, and can't wait to see what progress and excitement and future opportunities the construction and the new education system will provide for our students.